Okay, woman inside, I have a question to ask. And my question is, what can be done to remove negativity?
Yeah, thank you for that question. What can be done to remove negativity? One, ebe a na-agwọ ọgwụ ụda anya na-etinye ya ose. Onye chọrọ remove negativity, one, the person must avoid negative lifestyle. Know the type of people you are keeping. Don't keep negative people. If you are keeping negative people or living negative lifestyle, negativity can never depart from you. Yes. So, one, the person should watch his life or her life. Make sure now, no, then you can never grow beyond your circle. So look around people, your circle of friends. Only can they live within negativities. I wonder how can you can never grow beyond your circle of friends. As you are growing, you are making new decisions. You are leaving some of those people that are hindering your growth. So the person should check his circle of friends. One, leave those people that are always have this negative kind of mind. Avoid them. Then, the person anybody should check your own thought. What we have on that negative mindsets. Nobody will stop you unless you stop yourself. I'm going to mother cast a spell to you. Or will any form of iniquity. Get make that negativity magnet or it will not magnet. Because cleanness is not to godliness. Everyone na atete na attract more attitude. Powerful. Keep either way you are taught to pure. Always don't wish anybody evil. So that even if somebody wish you evil, it will not work. So always have the right mindset, behave the right way, avoid anything negativities from your own side. Then what you will be doing anytime you have sex with somebody that is not your permanent partner, go and look for alligator pepper, 4 seeds. Then chaw or a pinch of salt the same day. Where's na we here not a gaka. Choba St. Leaf. Water St. Leaf. But maybe worth of 200 naira he got here. Then the choba gova, like 9 leaves of gova. Tieni Banyan Kumri, yes, really sa. So also 9 pieces tienia. For a piece of salt tienia. Boil there for 20 minutes, with a sa. When I start, you make a declaration. A bit of tar. You have one negativity, Abromakani. Begin to make a declaration because you know come on now. Name like this. May like this if your vision and your dreams will become clear again. Then avoid avoid bringing many visitors that they can hide inside their room because they come with their own negativity. And avoid the only negative vibration. When you can have so one day in a look up to a picture, they know about each other in future. You can look up or hack the bask a circle of friends because Hagabo motivating force to you. Vibration all the kind of vibration you want to be, you want to attract. Not them matter why they remain broke and remain where they are today because they keep negative people as friends. And they are for attracting negative vibration around them. They never have one place.